Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
This one was sent to us sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito ang biyahe ng buhay ni Kat. Hi DJ Lala, ito po ang problema ko. LDR problem po. Gusto ko lang po sanang malaman kung mahalaga pa ba ako sa partner ko. Nakakapinibago lang kasi sa conversation namin. Ako na lang palagi yung nag-update. Kung hindi ko pa siya tatanungin kung nasan siya, hindi pa siya magchat-chat. Parang gusto ko na lang din gawing mga ginagawa niya. Hindi ko na nga matiis kasi gusto ko alam niya yung mga nangyayari sa akin. Ang bigat po sa pakiramdam kasi parang ako na lang yung nag-e-exist. Napag-usapan na namin yung ganitong problema pero wala pa din eh. Ang hirap lang po mag-overthink. Nakakapagod po DJ Lala. Thank you and God bless po to your show. My love, ibibigay ko na to sa iyo. This one I know is true. I was once like you. I want updates. I want to be posted. I want that my boyfriend is proud of me. So proud of me na he would tag me along everywhere he goes. I want him to be proud of me. To the point na gusto ko nakikita yung mukha ko sa timeline niya. Sumasama yung loob ko kapag hindi ko nakikita. I want him to be proud of me to the point na gusto ko meron siya ng mga couple shirts na nakikita ko online. Gusto ko pag suot ko, susuotin niya din. I was once like you. I wanted that kind of relationship. Kasi sino ba naman babaeng ayaw na yung boyfriend niya ganun ka proud sa kanya, ganun ka lambing, ganun ka thoughtful, at ganun ka, ewan ko kung anong bang pwedeng ganun ka mapagyabang na may jowa siya. Every girl wants a guy like that. But in a lifetime, we cannot ensure na yung partner natin can be like that. Some guys are not really into that kind of relationship. Hindi sila yung tipo ng taong ma-update. Hindi sila yung tipo ng taong ma-chat, ma-text, ma-call. Minsan not even ma-I love you, ma-I miss you. Hindi sila expressive kumbaga my love. May mga lalaking hindi din ma-post sa Facebook. Hindi din sila yung tipo ng taong maglalagay sa Facebook na in a relationship with eche. And once you meet a guy like that, syempre magtatanong ka kung mahal ba talaga ako nito? Importante ba talaga ako dito sa taong to? So ganito gawin mo to gauge, my love. Ganito yung gawin mo para mag-gauge mo kung mahal ka ba niya talaga, kung yung relationship nyo ba ay something na you'll still be happy to be in. I-set aside mo yung mga yon, yung mga factors that you expect out of a relationship, set aside mo yon. Then try to enumerate the good things you see in that relationship. Is he the type of boyfriend na hindi man masalita, affectionate? Ibig sabihin, kapag naglalakad kayo, he will hold your hand. Is he the type of person na hindi man siya matawag, hindi man siya masabi na I love you, I miss you? He does little things for you na alam mong hindi niya ginagawa to anyone else. Hindi man siya ma-surprise, hindi man siya grand sa celebration, anniversary, birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day. But is he the type of boyfriend that will listen to you rant all day sa mga taong kinaiinisan mo and will just listen to you and will tell you na okay lang yan. Hayaan mo sila. Hindi nila alam kung gaano ka kabait. Hindi nila alam kung gaano ka worth it. Do not waste your time over people who doesn't appreciate you. Kasi some people do. Is he that type of a boyfriend? Kasi if he is, then my love, I think you can let go of the superficial things you are expecting of a boyfriend. Kasi in this life naman talaga, it's not important that you have a boyfriend eh. What you need is a partner. A partner you'll be comfortable with. More than mahal, I think you have to find someone who can make you feel safe, who can make you feel at home. Someone na kapag kasama mo, alam mong anything can go wrong. Pero everything will feel so right. Kasi yung taong kasama mo will make you feel safe, will make you feel loved, even when dinadoubt mo sometimes. My love, hayaan mong umabot kayo sa certain point in your lives that those superficial things doesn't matter anymore. Na hindi nyo kailangan mag-update every hour sa isa't isa to know that each of you will be faithful sa isa't isa. Hayaan mong dumating kayo doon sa punto ng relationship ninyo. You don't really need to ask for an update na mga ginagawa niya kasi siya na mismo ang magkukwento sa'yo kasi ganun na siya kakomportable sa'yo. Let him feel like hindi ka demanding of anything. Let him feel like he has a friend in you. Kasi kung tayo mga babae ay naghahanap ng knight in shining armor, ang mga lalaki sa isang babae ay naghahanap ng best friend. That is something that you have to realize. When you become the best friend sa partner mo, that is when you know that that person is for you. Again, iset aside mo yung expectations mo of a boyfriend and just try to concentrate and zero in, focus, kumbaga my love, sa mga bagay na maganda about your relationship. Kasi maybe na-overlook mo yun eh. Kasi marami kang ine-expect mula sa kanya. I'm not saying that you have to adjust everything just for this person. Na hanggang sa dulo, ikaw yung kailangan mag-compromise, ikaw yung kailangan mag-adjust, ikaw yung kailangan umintindi, ikaw lagi yung kailangan magbigay. All I'm asking is, try to ask yourself which one is more important. Itong mga superficial things na to, o yung feeling na kapag nag-spend kayo ng time together, when you talk about tiny things that really matters in your relationship and you feel loved. If there's any reason for you to break up with someone, please do not let na ang maging reason na yun is because hindi lang siya nagchat. Hindi lang siya ma-update. Hindi lang siya marunong magpaalam. Hindi siya marunong magsabi. Huwag kayong masyadong ma-overwhelm ng expectations nyo sa isang relationship na ino-overlook ninyo yung things that should matter in that relationship. Tignan mo, my love, alin sa'yo ang mas matimbang. Kung yun ang mas matimbang sa'yo at hindi niya kayang i-provide, then whatever it is na irereklamo mo, however you do that, if it's not within his system, it's never gonna happen. Lagi lang kayo mag-aaway about it. Pero kung hahayaan mo, magle-let go ka dun sa expectation na yun and then you feel na parang okay lang naman pala kahit di siya mag-update. Kasi wala naman din talaga siyang ginagawang iba. Pinapatunayan din naman talaga niya sa akin na ako lang at wala nang iba. Then maybe sa mga panahon na yun, you'll see na yung mga bagay na yun ay masyadong maliliit para husgahan mo yung hangganan ng relationship ninyong dalawa. Naiintindihan mo ako, my love? Take it from someone na minsang naging ikaw, na nag-expect from someone. Ang ending, wala. Nag-fail lang ako. Because I'm trying to change a person. Bend him accordingly to how I want him to be. Not realizing na kung meron akong kakulangan, meron din siya. At yung pinakabagay na binibend ko sa kanya, binabali ko sa kanya, pilit kong binabago sa kanya, yun yung bagay na kailangan kong tanggapin tungkol sa kanya. Once you accept that, my love, you'll meet someone with a different set of view, with a fresh eyes. Tas doon mo mas marirealize na this is love. This is the kind of relationship na I will be missing if ipipilit ko yung mga bagay na hindi naman importante sa isang relationship. Gets mo ko, my love? Konting tiis, konting tiyaga, konting pangunawa, hanggang magtagal kayo at maging komportable sa isa't isa. Klaro? Klaro.